Okay guys, this is another haul or items that I'm going to add into another trip. This is the week of November. It's a new sale. Let's see, let me look on my, I think November. What's today's date, JJ? The 6th. So this is a new week and they had these Advent calendars out and Advent calendars out. And I actually bought a chocolate one for Josiah and I guess JJ if he wanted to do it too, or Catrell. But I actually saw these ones and they are super cute. So they had Toy Story. I really don't pay attention to the girl ones, y'all, I'm sorry, but I think they had a Barbie princess one or something like that. But they had cars, they had Toy Story, and they had the Matchbox cars. And the Toy Story one and another one was like $24. This one was $16.99, and then they had another one that was $19.99. But I went with this one because it had like the little tracks in the back. And so I guess they punch open the little door of that day, counting down to Christmas. And then they'll have like a little prize on the inside. And it says down here at the bottom like what is... No. Somewhere it'll say how many pieces. I know I was looking at the... Which one was I looking at? No, it was Paw Patrol. I was about to get that one. That one was $19.99. But I didn't get it. It says right here what comes in it. So I thought this would be so cute to do with him. I did not want to pay that much money for it. This one was $16.99, but I just thought it would be so cute to get him super excited for Christmas. And then I couldn't say no to this one. It was $9.99. It's a storybook collection advent calendar. And it's 24 little books in here. So I did see in the flyer where they had a Santa Claus one, but they must have got that one, y'all. They must beat me to it. And I got there about 11 something today. So these are the little books that are all in here. And I thought it'd be neat. And this was $9.99. So I just thought it would be so cute and so neat. I wish they had these. Or they might have these when I was little. And then the chocolate one, Catrell will be home soon, so he might get a kick out of that, and JJ get a kick out of the other one, that one, since they're older, because I never really purchased these before. But I didn't pay no attention to these in the flyer. But then when I saw the moms kind of hovering over the area, I was like, let me see what that is. And I was like, oh, this is so neat. Pricey, but so cute to get the little ones excited for Christmas. I've also been picking up some stuff for Thanksgiving little bit by little bit, but I'll talk about that in another video. I'm doing like a Thanksgiving series, so if you haven't seen that, check those videos out. But this was the main thing that I was going in there for. It says a children's winter jacket. I saw this in the flyer. It was $16.99, which I thought was a great price. It's waterproof, a windproof, breathable. And by the time you guys see this, you probably see that I picked him up another light jacket with a fleece lining, and it was marked down to $12.99. Now it's $8.99, y'all. So I should have asked him, can I get a difference? But anyway, I got a small in this. The little other jacket he got, it was a medium because it was made a little different. But it's not super thick, but it's thick enough. So he probably will still need another thick coat, but it's thick, but it's not super thick, if that makes sense. Not like a puffy coat. So he has like some zippers there, and then he has the hood with some elastic. It's thick, and then it covers up his mouth. And they did have like matching snow pants for the kids. So that was really cute. It was $12.99. They don't really go outside like that. But it's so neat and convenient if they did have that, you know, when they wanted to go outside. So I think that's what all this doohickey stuff is right here, to connect to the little snow pants. They do have snow boots and stuff this week too in the at ALDI. So this is a really nice coat for $16.99. I thought even Children's Place, which I need to go and see the thickness, was their puffy coats were still $19.99. They might be a little bit thicker than this, but I thought this was great quality for the price. Okay, guys, I did record this. I did an Insta story just now, but my phone would not upload it. So I should have just recorded it anyway. But I did. Sayabaya, no. No. He's so impatient, y'all. Okay, so I got him these Cars, Disney, Pixar Cars advent calendar from ALDI, and I think it was $16.99 or 19. I think it was $19.99. So he is supposed. Don't tell him what to do. Stop being bossy. So today is the 23 days to Christmas. So I let him open up 2 windows already. Go get your stuff so you can show them what you got. And I also couldn't resist, and I got him this Advent storybook calendar as well. So he's getting ready to open up this one. I got his reaction on my iPhone when he got this one. The first window was the little Cars. What's his name, y'all? Lightning McQueen. And then in the second window up here, he had like 4 little tracks, which I thought was super cool. And you guys just saw he opened up day 14. You're spoiling it. You are totally spoiling it. You have to wait. So you're gonna put it together? So I really didn't know what an advent calendar was until YouTube. And when I saw these weren't even on my radar that day. And I probably will still upload that haul when I talk about these, but I didn't mean to get them, but I thought they were super cute. This one, I don't remember how much it was. Maybe between 12 to 16. It might have been 16. They had some that were 24. So they had Toy Story, all these other ones. And it's been a couple weeks ago, guys. So they may not have them anymore, but your store may still have them. I'm not sure. But I did get this one for Trader Joe's, and JJ will be punching this one out. It has chocolate in them. And this one was like $1 or 99 cents. So I asked Latrell if he wanted to punch it out. He was like, no, I'm getting ready to go, because I took him today to go get on the train to go back to school. I think he has like a week and a half, and they're about to do finals. So anyway, let's close this up, son. You was not supposed to. So I'm going to have to put that up, because he's going to totally get into it. Okay, let's open up this one. You want to slide it over? Okay, it has a tie on the side. You gonna untie it? You gonna open it up? Ooh. Okay. So you're gonna start at number 1. So where's number 1?
Ow.
Okay, you're gonna pull out a book. Pull it out, gentle, gentle. See what you got.
Have to pull it gentle so you don't rip it.
You probably can rip the paper, but don't rip the book. I thought it was gonna be a hardback book. Ooh, let me see. 101 Dalmatians book.
Do I have this book?
No, I don't think you got that book.
Is it just different?
Mm-hmm.
On day 2?
So now you're gonna look for day 2. Find number 2, only because we're behind. And then tomorrow you're gonna do just 1. You're gonna do number 3.
You're going to do a tour on that white and clean one?
Yeah, you did 2 today because you fell asleep.
I got this.
And this one is Mulan. I like Mulan.
I closed my eyes, so.
Good. This is so neat, these little books.
That's your favorite book when you was a kid?
I didn't have this book when I was a kid, but I did watch the movie. But I wasn't a kid. I think I was a teenager or young adult. I don't remember. Don't remember. So you can stick those back in there if you want. Or you can save them or play with them. So tomorrow we're going to do 3, which is over there. Okay? You like that?
Yeah.
That is so much fun, isn't it? Okay, guys. So I just wanted to share that with you. I don't know if Aldi had these last year or not, but I just saw like a bunch of moms hovering over the area, and I was like, what is this? And I was like, oh, it's not candy. It's actually like a toy leading up to Christmas, and I thought that was super, super neat. All right, Si, you gonna tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all, this is the one from Trader Joe's. So I got JJ to come over here. It's probably not exciting to him, but I don't know. You gonna find number 1, number 2? You just punch it out. That's all. What's that? Number 1. This one has chocolate in it, so we were hoping that the Trader Joe's had something with tea, but they didn't. What are you doing?
What's this?
You trying to get this phone? You always got my phone. Trying to take my phone.
I always want the phone.
Mm-hmm.
Was I excited for that?
Yeah, you was excited. You like that? It was fun.
Okay, guys.
Let me
so
see.
I did not.
Hmm.
Train.
A chocolate train. Do you eat chocolate? Oh, okay. What's in number 2? Is it good?
Shut up.
It's all right. It don't taste like Hershey's.
It's a mint chocolate. So what's this?
That might not be mint chocolate. I don't like mint chocolate. Did it say it was mint chocolate in it? It said milk chocolate.
All of them are chocolate.
Oh, milk chocolate. I thought you said mint chocolate.
I think it is. Tastes like mint. Oh, all of them chocolate.
Oh, yeah, all them chocolate.
Oh.
What would that one look like? Let me see.
Mm.
What is that?
It's candy.
A candle? Okay. Yeah, I wanted to have other advent calendars like you can get from Hallmark or somewhere, and it has like more stuff. It probably costs more, I'm sure. Like more stuff in it, like toys and books and stuff like that. Okay.